na you wish nandun siya nung special moment na yun sa Araneta?
Well, I mean, for me, sino ba? I mean, nakaka-touch din kasi nagbiyahe po talaga yung mga relatives ko from Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya. I mean, I wish all of them were there kasi some of them are in the States, in Canada. And of course, yung grandma ko on my dad's side who passed away before I joined The Voice Kids. Parang isa yun sa mga pangarap niya para sa akin kasi alam niya na kumakanta ako. And one of her dreams for me was to become, you know, a popular singer in the Philippines. So, ayun nga, I know napanood niya naman yun from heaven. But yeah, nakaka-touch din kasi andun din yung grandparents ko from Nueva Vizcaya on my mom's side. And then, ayun po, parang hindi ko rin in-expect na lilipad yung dad ko from Canada and stuff like that. So I was just really happy that they were all part of my milestone as well. Yun po.
Showbiz.
Sa showbiz daw, friends, is there anybody na sana nandun?
Showbiz friends.
Showbiz friends. Well, marami namang nagsabi na may kasabay na work po yung concert ko in terms of attendance. And yeah, parang whoever was there that night, talagang na-appreciate ko yung effort nila kasi yung iba nanggaling pa sa ASAP rehearsals kasi live yung ASAP on June 2nd, yung iba nanggaling sa training ng Star Magic Games kasi live din sa Araneta the next day yung Star Magic Games. Si Alexa Ilacad na nag-concert direct before, andun din siya. Oh, so, it really meant so much to me. Tsaka, you will really know the people who will make an effort for you kahit ano pang mangyari. So it really meant so much kasi they didn't have to go out of their way naman para manood. Kasi you can always watch it on YouTube, on, you know, Facebook or Instagram. But to be there in person to support me meant so much. Tsaka isa sa mga hinanakit ko, hindi ko nabati dun in person si Jeremy tsaka si Kuya Jason din na nanood. Kasi nabanggit ko lahat ng mga artist friends ko na nandun. Tapos hindi ko alam na nanood sila.
Bumawi ka ngayon, Darren. Bumawi ka ngayon.
Maraming salamat, Jeremy Glinogan tsaka Jason D sa panonood. Sila lang hindi ko nabanggit ng concert. So ito na. Maraming salamat. Special mention kayo ngayon. Tsaka siyempre yung childhood crush ko si Ate Kath na nag-effort din talaga na bumili siya ng tickets, guys. Hindi siya nagpalibre.
Wow!
Oo, pati yung mga best friend ko, si Angela Cain, tsaka si AC Bonifacio, yung Atayde family, bumili talaga sila ng tickets nila. So, it really meant a lot. Tsaka si Chief Philomeno. Yun.
Deserve ng shoutout. Mga bumili talaga ng tickets.
Oo naman. Grabe talaga.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you po, Miss Miley.